the future was bright.
Yeah.
Swimming.
Yeah.
But iflop poverty.
Yeah.
Yabona. Phuma swimming, udakwa amanzi. Mafika lapha endlini singama siblings
Umpunga ngapha.
Umpunga ngapha sibaningi. Ofikile okugcina sakavele washaya crest wayibhekisa le. Uthi uvule ibhodola izolo ele papa ayo. Ku rough. Yabona? Hayi into lencane engaqala ngathi lana manje mina ukuthi ngishintshe ukwenza manje. Cala ke manje ngashaya shoplifting. Abe ngicwembu ngokushaya shoplifting.
Yeah.
Yo. Skima ngifuna ukutshela manje ukuthi ngeke ngiwamention lamagama lawo because ngake ngayifahlakela for yona le ndaba le e shoplifting.
Yeah.
And ngifahla kaso ngoba mina ngikhule esontweni na. Yeah, ngikhule ngumuntu bekathanda ukuya esontweni. Ekhaya bekwabantu abathanda ukuya esontweni. As much as kade kwabantu aba different abakhonza different lomunye umzethi omunye umsiyo nomunye and ngaba neopportunity ukuthi ngihambe noma mkhulu makaya la yakhona already makaya kule like umuntu ofuna ukwazi ukuthi okay sharp ini uNkulunkulu ubani. I had that desire but you know uNkulunkulu kumazi it takes time. You cannot just know God over time. Even Jacob now it took about 40 years. It took about 40 years for him to have that encounter. NoNkulunkulu azamgrepha angiyekile up until ungibusisa. So now I can say as much as bengiya at church, uNkulunkulu I cannot say bengimazi at that time. It was lento ye fashion. Plus the church masiya uyazi banokhipha isuphu bakhiphe foslay yabo sidle uqinisele mabathi ma activity ngoba mina ngikhule ngintwana active angikhulanga ngintwana esekhonini ngikhule ngintwana out there even namajita bewazi ukuthi amasiphethe umathini asiphethe last number siphethe umajiva newethu siphethe yonke into yethu so e church bengiparticipate entweni zama drama entweni zokudance yonke lento leyo ngelinye ilanga e church bathi no bafethu ngicela sizohamba ngecamp youth camp so obviously kufuneka imiphako ke what yimi lo Shoprite namajita sapaya manje inkinga asinama chocolate imali chocolate ayikho sengile lezi abazali bazamile lo abakuzamile ngithi amajita manje angeke chocolate mina la ngiyashaya ngishaya vele chocolate vele chocolate mangishaya yonke into kube ngathi right masibhadala kanti amakhamera kudala sibonile masiphuma hayi bangibize mfethu and la khotman ngitshela var la khotman lingibonye ukuthi sharp ngishaya chocolate but khotman he wanted ukuthi angirelease ngoba ungisearchile wayizwa wadlula washesa abanye wadlula ngokuphapha kwami ngithi sengicedile ado angacedile abuya alithi malibuya hayi la ithola ichocolate same time ngafahla kwa kanjalo yeah so ngasho nje ukuthi ukukhula kwami bengintwana esitoti scheme angeke mina ngikhuluma manga ngishuka coat mina ngikhule ngintwana shy shoplifting ebamba nenkunzi inkunzi besibamba strong nama outtime yabo inkunzi abe singadlali kakhulu eKaSlam and bekuyimi inja yevisi fake evisi mawusuza ukuthi ana umphefumulo uyaphuma azayikhipha le phone yabo so zonke lezi zinto lezo besiziyenza ngasho ukuthi zile zacisha zangifaka ebungozini nasekufeni ngoba isibhamu ngiyasazi mina ama-Hotman number waphatha ibhamu Hotman number linofika liphethe iBobby Brown likhiphe nje amabhullet itemane boy ngibambele so ngiyibambe khona elinye iHotman umabhamuza nalo mabhamuza ayileya legama layo nayo uyalizwa nawo mabhamuza la bephatha ezinye ibhamu ezinye izinswembu bephatha even ama-AK and bekuyihotman elisithumayo ukuthi emanamba nenza into so amanenza into so then singena lapha noma sivula sihlangane nebhamu sihlangana nama but into engiyibongayo kuyonke lento le ngile ngasaba mina isibhamu ngile ngasaba I don't wanna lie because ngisibonile ngosangithi sidubula abantu phambi kwami akhona amajite ekasa la dubuleka asibhekile
so ngoba uyawacwaya eDanyana ufakwa yini
eDanyana scheme sisada azi story esedanyana ne sivela mani ngathini sengintwana mane esene focus inyana bengisengine direction inyana besengise into zama shoplifting into zenkunzi nini besengizekile esigela bese ngiphusha i-drama strong bese siya even nase theater so performa namajita yini like bese siperforma all around bese ngintwana eqondile ngoba at that time ithama bese liphumile nasedanyana so ithama ngisho ukuthi lithe ukuphuma kwalo lile lazama there was a time ithama singachayisana nalo there in ithama nambili ngishaya damane bengishaya azikathi athi kimi kukhumula benqunu polisi yabona so ngaba ne hate for that man but ngaphinde ngabuya ngathi makade manje zikhona izinto afuna ukungibonisa zona I don't know like wangifundisa igitha la man igitha bese ngishaya like ngisengintwana esidemos ese business into ezipositive ngabhaziswa lento yokuthanda icherry
lento le before icherry ithama lakho lihleli amenias balihlakaza amenias
bahlakaza nga 10 years
lihleli lahlala uma 5 eye no so
lahlala 6 years
edanyana
okay
asingene uzothanda icherry
so manje obviously ke mina bengumuntu nama group abhaya benginama group mangithi maybe ngifuna ukuyophanda ngifuna ukuyotshontsha bana then ngine group yabo Tsharo asishaya ama kick ombhoboza amajini yabona into zokuchama ama 626 amabhodlela bese 3 nalezi ezami besithanda i3 ships kade basibiza the 3 ships plan out yami
igajaza konje 3 ships
igajaza i whiskey
alright okay
out yami uHloksi beyithole imbobo somewhere usho ukuthi ngeke ngisho ukuthi kupha ngifuna ukucabanisa imindeni but damane wasikisa isikhiya somunye umuntu bekabeka imali endlini so can you imagine ngintwana ena 17 sesi exposed to inyuke ebhaya and thina besingana weekend anytime nje siyabraya amantombazana utshwala even during the week to such an extent that we ended up sichinda isigela uyazi ke masojinda isigela ke kusho ukuthi hayi manje usophumile endleleni because izinto ezi right kumele ukuthi uziyenze because as mawumntwana I believe ukuthi you need to go to school ube nama qualifications nawe ube umuntu ebantwini not to say isikolo is everything but isikolo sibalulekile egcineni yabona so sayekile isigela and then ngelinye ilanga kube nebheshe kasi bheshe khona si invitewa i-cousin ye-outyame one uthi man kunebheshe endaweni ethize so hayi ke mnandi ukuthi langa la khona behlangane nabanye abagela abayi3 bogela bakhona amashisa abagela obviously yazi uyakhetha ukuthi okay wena ufuna abantu into ezinjalo shaba sivayise ebheshini masifika le bheshini sisaminde indaba zethu manje indaba zethu chamuka omunye ugela khona nyamazi from eKasi yabo gela khona athi man awuthakho le yangishaya ngaphakathi yabo man eHloksi isondela uthami man uthi yabona ugela athi so ngithi ithi nikhulume yabo ayibakhulume mina ngibracket le icherry lezi esiva nazo c3 phela thina besikwazi ukushit mina bengazi ukushit nami ngiva ngiyoshaya obviously i1-0 fast amathama
abanga space
khona la space so amajita i-outsami isukela kugela ize kimi